In the remote Nevada desert, a game-changing aircraft is coming to life. The B-21 Raider, the latest advancement in American military aviation, is poised to redefine strategic air power for decades. With a staggering unit cost of $639 million and a development program that pushes the total price per plane to nearly $4 billion, the Raider is not just a bomber, it's the embodiment of the U.S. commitment to technological superiority. Designed by Northrop Grumman, the B-21 is set to replace both the B-2 Spirit and B-1B Lancer, consolidating their roles into a single, stealth-first platform. The B-21 brings more to the table than its predecessors. With both manned and unmanned operational modes, it can carry out missions autonomously, reducing risk to pilots while executing precise, high-stakes operations. Its sleek, flying wing design enhances stealth by deflecting and absorbing radar signals across a broad spectrum. With its radar-absorbing materials, infrared suppression, and acoustic dampening, the B-21 can operate deep within enemy territory without being detected. The Air Force plans to deploy over 100 Raiders, positioning it as the cornerstone of American aerial deterrence for the foreseeable future. America's three proven bombers. While the B-21 prepares for operational service, the United States maintains air dominance with a trio of strategic bombers, each playing a distinct role. The B-52 Stratofortress, a Cold War-era marvel, remains a vital piece of the U.S. arsenal. First introduced in the 1950s, this behemoth has undergone decades of upgrades. Capable of flying nearly 9,000 miles without refueling and carrying up to 70,000 pounds of munitions, the B-52 is a proven workhorse. 76 of these aircraft are still in active service, and with continual upgrades, the B-52 may become the first aircraft to serve a full century. The B-1B Lancer offers a different type of power. Known affectionately as the Bone, the B-1 is a supersonic bomber capable of reaching Mach 1.2. Its variable sweep wings give it a versatile flight profile, allowing for long-range cruising and rapid penetration of enemy airspace. It boasts the largest payload capacity of any U.S. bomber, 75,000 pounds, and uses internal bays to maintain aerodynamic efficiency. Although it lacks stealth, its speed and overwhelming firepower make it a vital tool for rapid strikes and intense operations. Then there's the B-2 Spirit, the world's first stealth bomber and a marvel of military design. With only 21 built, each costing over $1 billion, the B-2 is equipped to evade detection while carrying conventional or nuclear weapons. Its internal bays preserve stealth during missions, allowing it to approach and strike the most heavily defended targets undetected. The Spirit laid the foundation for what the B-21 Raider is, perfecting complete operational invisibility combined with precision firepower. Russia's strategic bomber philosophy. While the United States pursues stealth as the pinnacle of strategic bombing, Russia maintains a more traditional approach, relying on payload, range, and continual upgrades of legacy aircraft. The Tupolev Tu-95, known as the Bear, is one of the oldest bombers still flying, first taking to the skies in 1952. Despite its age, this propeller-driven giant remains relevant, thanks to its incredible range and ability to carry massive payloads exceeding 415,000 pounds. Its distinctive counter-rotating propellers produce an unmistakable acoustic signature but grant remarkable fuel efficiency, making it ideal for long-duration nuclear deterrence missions. At the other end of Russia's bomber spectrum is the Tu-160, or Blackjack, the fastest and heaviest bomber in the world. The Blackjack combines speed with firepower in a way unmatched by any other aircraft. Capable of Mach 2 speeds and with a payload capacity of 45 tons, it can outrun most threats while delivering devastating attacks. Variable sweep wings give it flexibility across different flight regimes, and modern upgrades have enhanced its navigation systems, countermeasures, and missile capabilities. Though maintenance-intensive, it remains a central pillar in Russia's strategic fleet. Bridging the gap is the Tu-22M, also known by NATO as the Backfire. This medium-range bomber, built for regional conflicts and theater operations, is still active thanks to numerous upgrades. With a speed exceeding 560 miles per hour and a payload of 24,000 kilograms, the Backfire remains effective in conventional and nuclear missions. Its presence on modern battlefields showcases Russia's commitment to maintaining multiple bomber types for different mission requirements. China's bomber breakthrough. For decades, China relied on outdated bombers derived from Soviet technology, limiting its strategic reach. That all changed with the H-6 series, the H-6K, An extensively modernized variant is now capable of carrying 86,000 pounds of weapons and launching long-range cruise missiles. With enhanced radar, avionics, and engines, the H-6K has become a credible long-range strike platform. Meanwhile, the H-6N introduces aerial refueling and the ability to deploy ballistic missiles like the DF-21, a feared anti-ship weapon designed to target aircraft carriers from long distances. What truly marks China's arrival as a global air power, however, is the development of the H-20 stealth bomber. Though still cloaked in secrecy, available intelligence and imagery suggest it mirrors the flying wing design of the B-2 and B-21. It is expected to carry hypersonic cruise missiles internally, maintaining stealth while extending its strike capability across intercontinental distances. With a projected range of over 5,000 miles, the H-20 may soon allow China to project force well beyond its borders without leaving its own airspace. This stealth-first approach marks a dramatic departure from Russian-style brute force and places China in direct competition with the US in bomber innovation. Russia's leap into stealth. Though Russia's existing bombers prioritize power and range over stealth, the country is developing the PAC-D, a radical shift toward low observability. Unlike the supersonic Tu-160, the PAC-D will be subsonic, prioritizing stealth and efficiency. Its flying wing design reflects a philosophy more akin to American bombers, emphasizing invisibility and global reach. The aircraft is expected to have a range of 7,000 miles and cost around $400 million per unit. With 3 prototypes under testing and production slated to begin by 2027, the PAC-D will eventually replace the Tu-95 and Tu-160 fleets, streamlining Russia's strategic bombing capability into one modern platform. This development signals a significant change in Russia's military doctrine, acknowledging that modern air defense systems make traditional penetration tactics increasingly obsolete. By focusing on stealth and standoff capabilities, Russia is positioning itself to compete more directly with the US and China in the next phase of strategic air power, defining the future of air warfare. What connects the B-21 Raider, H-20, and PAC-D is not just advanced technology, but a shared vision of the future of warfare. In this new era, stealth is no longer a feature, it's the foundation. Long gone are the days when speed, altitude, and brute force alone could guarantee mission success. Today's stealth bombers are designed to be undetectable, precise, and adaptable across multiple combat scenarios. Modern stealth aircraft use radar-absorbing materials, infrared suppression, acoustic dampening, and electronic camouflage to remain invisible. They are equipped with long-range standoff weapons, allowing them to strike targets from hundreds or thousands of miles away. They can be reconfigured for different missions, from surveillance to electronic warfare, and increasingly, they operate autonomously or with remote human oversight. This transformation reduces risk, lowers manpower requirements, and allows for faster, more flexible decision-making in the heat of battle. The country that leads this new arms race will not only dominate the skies, it will reshape the global balance of power. Traditional air defenses are rendered ineffective against aircraft that can strike without warning. Invisibility is now the ultimate advantage, and the ability to control the airspace undetected may determine the outcome of future conflicts. If you found this deep dive into the world of stealth bombers as fascinating as we did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more powerful insights into cutting-edge military tech, global defense strategies, and the future of aerial warfare. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next mission.